there, young coder. Are you ready to jump into a magical story where we bring shapes to life using nothing but code? Awesome! Let's start our adventure by meeting someone very special, a magical turtle. Not a real turtle. Of course, this one lives inside your computer and it listens to your instructions. Before we can talk to it, we need to invite it into our story. That's what Import Turtle does. It says, "Hey turtle, come join our program." Imagine this. You want to draw something on your screen like a picture or a shape, but you don't want to use your mouse or crayons. You want the computer to do the drawing for you. Well, for that we call in a helper, a magical turtle. In the world of coding, we call these helpers modules, like little toolboxes full of magic tricks. The turtle module has all the tools we need to draw cool things in Python. We ask Turtle to come join our program by typing Import Turtle. Now it's your turn. Type Import Turtle in your code editor and hit Enter. Now that the turtle is here, we need a drawing board, a clean screen, where our turtle can move around and draw. So we roll out the digital paper. That's our screen. That's what screen equals turtle.screen open parenthesis close parenthesis does. Your turn to try. Type screen equals turtle.screen open parenthesis close parenthesis in your code editor. To make our masterpiece feel official, we give our canvas a name. Let's call it Yellow Circle, just like naming a painting. That's what screen.title open parenthesis quote yellow circle quote close parenthesis does. Let's name our drawing together. Go ahead and type screen.title open parenthesis quote yellow circle quote close parenthesis. Okay. Now let's give our turtle a name. Let's call him Toby. Toby has a pen attached to his tail. When he moves, he draws. That's what T equals turtle.turtle open parenthesis close parenthesis does. We also tell Toby how fast to go. Speed 1 is slow like a sleepy turtle. Speed 10 is zoom fast. We picked 5, right in the middle. Not too slow, not too fast, just right. So we tell Toby to move at the speed of 5. That's what T.speed open parenthesis 5 close parenthesis does. Now it's time to create your turtle and set its speed. Type T equals turtle.turtle open parenthesis close parenthesis and then T.speed open parenthesis 5 close parenthesis. Toby is about to draw a circle, but what should it look like? Let's paint the inside yellow, like the sun. That's what T.fill color open parenthesis quote yellow quote close parenthesis does. So we'll tell Toby to paint the circle color yellow by giving instructions to set the fill color to yellow. That's what T.fill color open parenthesis quote yellow quote close parenthesis does. And we want the outside line to be black so it stands out nicely. That's the T.pen color open parenthesis quote black quote close parenthesis part, like outlining your artwork with a marker. That's what T.pen color open parenthesis quote black quote close parenthesis does. Your turn to add some color. Type T.fill color open parenthesis quote yellow quote close parenthesis and T.pen color open parenthesis quote black quote close parenthesis. Okay, Toby, ready? Let's fill that color in. When we say begin fill, Toby gets his paint bucket ready to start filling and draw a circle. That's what T.begin underscore fill open parenthesis close parenthesis does. Then we tell him to draw a circle, a big one with a radius of 100 pixels. That's just the size of the circle. Toby walks in a big round path, leaving a line behind him. That's what T.circle open parenthesis 100 close parenthesis does. Time to start drawing. Type T.begin underscore fill open parenthesis close parenthesis and then T.circle open parenthesis 100 close parenthesis. And when he's done, T.end underscore fill open parenthesis close parenthesis tells Toby to pour the yellow paint inside the shape he just made. Ta-da! We have a big yellow circle. That's what T.end underscore fill open parenthesis close parenthesis does. Let's finish filling our circle. Type T.end underscore fill open parenthesis close parenthesis and watch the magic happen. Now that the artwork is done, Toby says my job here is finished and he quietly hides so you can admire the art without him hanging around. That's what T.Hitty turtle open parenthesis close parenthesis does. And finally, we tell the computer, hey, keep this window open so we can look at our masterpiece. That's what turtle.done open parenthesis close parenthesis does. Final steps. Type T.Hitty turtle open parenthesis close parenthesis and then turtle.done open parenthesis close parenthesis to complete your masterpiece. And just like that, we turned code into a picture. You just learned how to invite a drawing turtle into your program, set up a screen, choose colors, draw shapes, and create something beautiful with just a few lines of code. Amazing job! Look at the yellow circle you created with your code. Now, imagine what else you can draw: stars, houses, rockets, even cartoons. Coding is your superpower, and Turtle is your magic wand. Keep exploring, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun with it. Ready for a challenge? Try changing the color or size of your circle.